Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Welcome to XD Unicorn YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to create our restaurant website that we previously made on the other video tutorial where I teach you how to create this amazing page here. So today we are going to make it mobile version. So of course it's very important nowadays. So let's start right away. I'm going to click on Edit with Elementor. Once the page is loaded, we need to click on this little icon on the bottom left of the screen, as you can see. And once you click it, you can have tablet version, desktop version, so you can check how it looks on the different devices. So now we are going to edit the first thing, and this is the logo. So I'm going to make the logo a little bit smaller. I click on the logo, style, and the typography, and just change the rem size. So I like to make it small like that. Click on this column here, okay, and once you click this column here, we are going to make it 50%, and we are going to click this other column with our menu inside, and we will do the same thing, 50%. And now we have it on the right side of the menu. So if I click here, as you can see, this works fine. But I don't like it very much how it looks. So just click on it and go on full width and click on it. Now if you click on it, for example on my icon, as you can see, now it works fine. So looks awesome. Let's click on this column here, put this on the right side. So we are going to align it horizontally on the end. Okay, so now the icon is on the end, and if I check my design by clicking this little arrow, I click on it, and as you can see, the menu now works fine. So let me go back. Great. So go click the icon now, and then I need to go on the toggle button, and the color will be white. And if you want to give a background color too, you can do that by clicking on this and maybe adding a black color. Let me check it. And it looks like this. Great. I will remove the black color as I like it clean and minimal. Perfect. Now we have our Facebook and Instagram, and I will keep them here as I don't think they are bothering too much. So let's go on the next section. And as you can see, we have some problems with the text right away. So I'm going to click this text here, style, typography, rem. I'm going to change that, something like that. I will keep the rest like this, and that's fine. So as you can see, the height is too much. So I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to change the minimum height like that. Great. And I'm going to click also on the main section on the top, and I'm going to change the minimum height too, because I feel that is too much. And yeah, I just put this to 0 on the mobile version. So as you can see, we have some problems here. We have this drag bar that we're going to fix later. So let's go on the next section. So on the next section, I will click on this button here. I will go on advanced, and I will click percentage on the padding, and I will start to add some padding. Like I will try to add like 5, right? And then what I want to do is to add some more on the top and more on the bottom. So I'm going to unlock this, and on the top I will try to make it 12, and on the bottom I will make it 12 too. And this, our history, is too big, as you can see. So style, typography, and we're going to change these two. So we can keep it like that. Great. So as you can see, we have some padding here that we added in the desktop version. So if you want to remove this spacing on the right, you're going to click here, and you need to go on advanced, and on the padding, just click on percentage and click here, and be sure you have 0 padding. And as you can see now, the content is actually displayed better. So I'm going to edit again the title. and change the size like that, and looks great. So here we have our two images. I want some more spacing between those, so I'm going to click again on the column and I'm going to add some bottom padding like that. Let's make it 12. I will probably add also, no, that's okay, that's fine. So here we have the two images. I'm going to click on the first one because I want some padding on the bottom. So click on the first image, advanced, on the padding, click on the percentage here, unlock this, and on the bottom you're going to add some more padding. 8 is enough. And yeah, you can have the two images one after the other, and here we actually have our chefs and some text, right? So we're going to fix this. First of all, click on the column. We're seeing some padding here, so I'm going to advance and remove all the padding. So by clicking this, and be sure that 0 is everywhere here. So we are going to click this again, select the percentage and add some padding like 5%. Great, now looks better. Our story, as you can see, the text size is too big, so I'm going to copy this one, copy it, paste the style, and as you can see now is the same. So we have some padding here, also too much padding, so we are going to check why. So in our case, the problem was the minimum height. We need to set a minimum height here, and as you can see, just by clicking on this, the spacing is changed. So I'm going to make it like that. Great, perfect. And then I'm going at the bottom and I'm seeing our products here. As you can see, they look really good already in this way, in a vertical way. So I'm going to change a little bit of the text sizing here. So let me check. We can make it even smaller. So click on the text style and change the size like that. I want some more spacing between my content here. So I'm going to try and change the height, the mean height. So I'm going to click this inner section, the height, mean height, and let's try out what happens. And as you can see, you can change the spacing very well. Great, so now it's spaced better. I'm going to do the same thing to this section here. We have the menu here, for example, and this is a little bit a tricky part, but I will show you how to fix it very quickly. So what we are doing here is that we are going to hide some elements that we don't actually need in our mobile version, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do is to select our lines here, the inner section here. I'm going to advanced, responsive, hide on mobile. So as you can see, it's hiding on mobile right now. So I'm going to hide all the lines that we are not using in the mobile version. Advanced, responsive, hide on mobile, and same thing here. Click on that, advanced, responsive, mobile. Great. What we can actually do is to add some other lines for the mobile version only. So we can go back here, click on divider and put it just right under the price here, and make it a color gray, for example. Okay, and by clicking on it, advanced, responsive, and this time we will hide it on the tablet and on the desktop version. So this will be visible only on the mobile version. So I'm going to click this and paste it where I need it. So I actually paste it under the price like that. Oops, I made copy, sorry. So I need to copy again this and paste it under the price. So now if I close this, so right now, as you can see, we have everything aligned well. Just this one, just this title that is still too big to me. So I'm going to click on style area and make it smaller. So now if I'm going to check my design, this one maybe is an extra one that I don't want. If I'm going to check my design with this little arrow, I will see that actually I have everything well aligned with the little line. And if I go on the desktop version, nothing is broken, everything is perfectly fine. So yeah, great. We are going back. We are going to try and add some spacing for the design. So for example, in the main column here, I will click this. I go advanced, and the padding, I will change it. So I usually use percentage. I click on the percentage here. I click on the 0, and I just add some in the top. Like let's add 12. Oops. Or maybe 50, even 15, it's okay. Let's do 20. Great. And yeah, I will add also on the right side 5 and the left 5. And the bottom maybe we can add 22. So now we have this well aligned and well spaced. So we are going to the next section now. So I'm going to click here. As you can see, this section is actually working very well like that, but I don't like it as it's too vertical. So I'm going to click this. The minimum height, you can change it, so it can match the content in it. So I can put it 0, so I can have the content that is matching the box. Yeah, and the next section, as you can see, is a little bit the same thing. Click on the next section here, and now we are going to advanced, responsive, and reverse columnar mobile, because I want the separation between those. So now I'm going to click on this column here, advanced. I'm going to click on percentage and click on this. Great. So I will click it again. I will add 5 as padding. Then I will click this again to unlock, and on the top I will put 10 or maybe 15, and bottom 15. This I will edit it, so click on that. I will going to copy my title style here. I'll go back down and paste style. Great. The image is fine. We have our slider here. As you can see, there is some spacing I don't like, so I will click on this. Minimum height I will put 0. And another thing is that probably I will keep this image on the top, because I don't like the fact that we have 2 images here. So I'm going to click this, and advanced and responsive and reverse column. I already done that, so as you can see, this works to reverse the image order. So let's do it like that. This is okay, this is okay, we can keep it like that. So same thing, we need to click on this, and advanced, padding, percentage, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the text here need to be changed, so I will paste the style of the other title. So the problem is the title is still too long, too big. In this case, you should make it smaller. So style, typography, and we will make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. Great. So now we have everything in place. I need to edit this, so I will click this column here, advanced 0, but I will click on percentage, click again on this to lock it, and add some padding so it looks better. And we will also add some padding on the bottom, so I will unlock again and add some padding here, like 15. On the top we add 15 too, so everything is well separated. I will add this padding to like that, top 15, and the bottom I think we can keep it like that. This looks fine, and yeah, that's how we do it in mobile version. As you can see now, everything works fine. You can check it out. I will update this. And yeah, let's check the website. So the website looks perfect in the desktop version. Now I will go on the mobile version and check how it looks. So it looks really nice. We have our menu here, Italian food, Instagram. We need to center those, so we need to make it centering. We can do that later on. So yeah, looks fine. Here we need to remove some padding. This looks good. So yeah, everything looks really great. This can be drag and drop, as you can see. Amazing. So we are going back and fix those little things. Going on the top, and here in this bottom here, click on the edit column, and the horizontal align should be centered. And now we are sure that this is centered. For the menu, we can actually add some spacing. So for the menu, of course, you need to edit all the style, drop down, and then the vertical padding, we can change it. So let's click on it and let's change this so we have more spacing, like that. Great, I like it. So you can actually take your time to make it better. So another issue was this image that we didn't see. I click on this image, advanced, I will click on percentage and 0, or pixel and 0. Oops. And nothing is happening because probably is on the, yeah, was on the margin and not on the padding. So yeah, that's all. I will update this, and normally this will work like fine. Let me check on the mobile version. So our menu is great, everything is ordered, you know, everything is in the right place, everything looks cool, perfect, and yeah, everything is really beautiful. Of course, you can take your time to make it better. I will provide you anyway this template to be downloaded in the description of this video, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next, what kind of design or what kind, you know, of company design you want to see, and I will try to make it for you. Have fun and see you in the next video. Bye.